I just spent 2,500 USD on this PC, and this is my experiment PC. And next to it, you can see this is my strategy development PC. And above here are a couple of older mini PCs that I'm hoping to decommission once the current experiments on them finish up. Hi traders, if we haven't met, I'm Lisa, an ex-programmer and data scientist turned algorithmic trader. And in this video, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what my strategy experiment lab looks like. These are the exact processes which my students use to achieve results like this one from Luke. You can see here, initially, he was losing money using other robots. And then at this point, he joined my community in AlgoLab. A few months ago, he added some strategies, which turned his account from losing to winning. And then later on, he started adding more and more strategies. And you can see the equity curve becoming more and more profitable. I like his style because he is a conservative trader and taking the time to develop his confidence in his own trading strategies. So when you use software like Strategy QuantX to create strategies for you fully automatically, it is like mining for gold. You start off with a huge pile of dirt, and in this huge pile, there might be only 1 or 2 specks of gold. It's up to the miner to filter out all the dirt and locate these tiny, tiny specks. That's exactly the same with my strategy development process, because most of the strategies that are created by this software is as valuable as dirt. It takes random entries, random exit blocks, and mashes them together. Some of them just don't make sense. Only 1 or 2 might be gold and worthy of trading on my live account. So this is my experiment process, and it's pretty straightforward. There's 4 steps. You've got the build where you create the strategies, retesting on different data, more retests using different techniques, and then simulated live trading. For the build, all I do is I go into the strategy quant builder, go in, make sure I've got genetic evolution. I go and press start, and it will create a whole bunch of strategies for me. I'm talking about thousands and thousands of strategies. But most of these strategies will be like dirt and discarded when we move on to the next phase, which is out of a sample testing, where we're just retaking those same strategies and seeing if it's still profitable on a different set of dates. Then I retake those same strategies again that passed the first amount of testing and test them again on different robustness tests. And then finally, the very last step, I take all those strategies and I simulate live trading. Every single experiment is different because there are just so many different options and combinations and different settings in Strategy Quant. I might test to see if exiting on Friday gives me better results, or I might test on certain number of indicators combinations, or I might test on different time frame combinations. Some tests will fail because the results are worse. That doesn't mean the test was a waste of time. It just means now I know this particular setting or this particular indicator doesn't work. Let's open up one of my experiments that's been running for just over a week. This one will take about a month to complete, which is pretty fast. Usually it takes between 2 to 4 months. And here you can see some of the output files. You can see I've got Aussie CAD 1 hour time frame from 2016 to 2021. And if I scroll down, you can see there are different dates for each file. You've got different time frames. Let's scroll down some more so you can see some different time frames, different symbols. And once this one is complete, it will have covered 28 Forex pairs, metals, and indices, long and short. And currently we're sitting at just over 100K in strategies. This is because I used to be a data scientist. I don't make decisions based on just a handful of trades. For statistical significance, I need lots and lots of evidence to prove that it's not luck. thousands and thousands of evidence. I want to make sure whatever filter I add to my current process, that it works across multiple currencies, metals, indices, and over different timeframes. I want to be thorough when I make the updates and send them to my students. So each strategy has two files. We've got build files, which contains the build and test results, and the second file, which is the simulated trading. And this is the second file that I am truly interested in because I want to see the impact of each filter and how it actually makes a difference to live trading. And I can load up the second file back into Strategy Quant to see if this strategy was profitable or not. This very simple process is the exact same one I used in this video, where I analyzed 63,499 strategies to find the best ratio between data used for the build process and data used for the test process.